It's WIP Wednesdays, which means I get to share all of the crafty bits that I've been working on over the past week. So let's go. First things first, so last week I was halfway through my Sophie Scarf. I have finished it. Look at her. She's gorgeous, she's stunning, she's super soft. This is how we'll wear her. She's French, she's chic, she's cute. I like wearing this one when I don't want to feel like I've got a chunky scarf on my neck. But yeah, love her. So she's done. I was on a roll at the end of it, like literally just locked in, got it done. The other thing that I finished was my beanie. This is one that I didn't use a pattern on, but look how she turned out. I'm so happy with it. Blocked her yesterday, so she's sitting pretty now. Let me put it on. Ta-da! I love it. I think it turned out so perfectly considering I didn't use a pattern or anything. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It is chunky, it's warm, it's thick, it's snug, it fits beautifully. I think she's great. I love it. This was a mix of 3 different yarns. So the color as well, like you can't really see on camera, but it's very multi-dimensional. I don't know if you can kind of see. I used a mix of reds and warm oranges as well, so it turned it into this like red rust type of color, which I love. I'm so proud of this one. The other thing I did, which wasn't knitting, but it was for my knitting needles, was make this knitting needle case with some scrap fabric that I had. So basically you untie her, you roll her out. She's quite big. And then you open her, and then these are all my knitting needles and like other accessories and bits as well. Yeah, so now all of my needles have a place to live. It's padded as well, so they're extra protected. And yeah, I was really happy with how that turned out. That took a couple of hours. So I actually currently, hate to say it, but I have nothing in progress at the moment. Like I literally finished everything a couple of days ago and I haven't had time to start anything new. So I've got nothing actually on the go, but I'll show you what I'm thinking of starting next. I know I just did a scarf, but I kind of want to do a shawl because we're heading into, like the weather is kind of warming up, so we're heading more into trans-seasonal type dressing. So I want something that I can layer with. And I have this gorgeous green. I just love this color. And then I also have a matching mohair. So I might combine those and do like a large triangular shawl scarf thing. I think this color would go well with everything. I really need to step away from knitting everything in navy and red because I just have too much of that color and I need to like branch out, you know? So I think I might start with that and see how it looks. But then the other thing as well is like I literally have mohair in every single color. Like if I were to show you, look at all the mohair that I have, and there's more in my drawer still, but I've got all these stunning colors and I kind of am thinking to start a really long, thin, stripy scarf. Like what do we think about that? Like multicolored, no real order about the colors, like just super random. I think that could be really fun and this would be such a colorful piece in my wardrobe. So I'm thinking to start that, and that would just be like a really easy project. I wouldn't really need to think about it. So yeah, I think I'm going to start that. I think those will kind of be the last accessories I do before I move more into jumpers and cardigans. Everything I've knitted so far has been an accessory, and there's only so many beanies and scarves you can have really. So I'm excited to advance from where I'm at now, but I do really want these pieces in my wardrobe. So I'll do those and then we'll step it up. But yeah, that's it. Happy Wednesday.